Alright, hello there my Algebra 2 friends. Now today we're talking about the final method in order to solve systems, and that's called determinants. Now a lot of students prefer this method because there is a set procedure in order to follow. Alright, so if you're one of those people that really like a script, this one may be good for you. Now what a determinant is given a 2 by 2 matrix. When we can find the determinant value for this. So what we do is we take 2 times 9 and we subtract 6 times 5. So we get 18 minus 30, which is negative 12. That is the determinant value for that matrix. So the general case is stated as is. A, B, C, D. So it's A times D minus B times C. Alright, now you can use this fact in order to solve a system of equations. So for instance, example 1. We have 4x plus 3y is equal to 16 and 2x minus 3y equals 8. Now, normally you would see this and you would say, elimination. Linear combination would probably be the best method here, but for the sake of argument, let's see how we would use determinants. Now, the first thing is your equations have to be in standard form. They must absolutely, positively be in standard form. Okay, now, the first one is the determinant, or the denominator. And I'll show you why it's called the denominator in a second here. But what that entails is you take the coefficients of your x value, so 4 and 2, and the coefficients of your y value, 3 and negative 3. So x and y. So I created a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix with that information there. Alright, now let's find the determinant. So I have 4 times negative 3 minus 2 times 3. So I have negative 12 minus 6, which is negative 18. And we're going to put a box around that number because we're going to need it in a bit here. So now the next piece of information we have, we're going to find the numerator of only the x value. Now, this is kind of tricky in a sense that in our matrix, we're going to have everything but the x value. Okay, so we're going to put our constants first, 16 and 8. Our constants come from the right side of the equal sign. And then we're going to put our y coefficients. Are 3 and negative 3. So this is my constants, and these are my y coefficients. Let's go CON. Alright, so with the numerator for my x value, we actually put everything in there but the x. The y's fall right in line where they always are, and the constants replace the x's in terms of the denominator. Alright, so then let's find the determinant. 16 times negative 3 minus 8 times 3. So I get negative 48 minus 24, which is negative 72. Alright, then the final piece, we're going to find the numerator of my y value. Now again, this contains everything but the y's. The x coefficients are going to fall right in place. Write that so we can actually see it. The x coefficients fall right in place, so 4 and 2 from here. And then the constants take the place of my y's, 16 and 8. So in your numerator y, your constants take the place of it. In your numerator x, your constants take the place of the x. Now calculate the determinant. 4 times 8 minus 2 times 16 gives me 32 minus 32, which is 0. Alright, so now that we have all this information, let's find the solution to my system. Alright, your x value is going to be the numerator x over the denominator. And the y value is going to be your numerator y over the denominator. So that's how we calculate the two solutions to our system. So let's do it. X is negative 72 over negative 18, which simplifies to positive 4. And y is n sub y, which is 0, numerator y, over the denominator of negative 18, which is 0. So my solution is 4, 0. So we've just used determinants to solve for a system. As always, you could take your 4, 0 and substitute it in to solve. So let's check it. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 0 equals 16. 2 times 4 is 8, minus 0 equals 8. They both check out. Alright, so that was a lot of information I threw at you, and I can tell it's maybe a little overwhelming, but let's try another one, and you see it's not that difficult. Alright, so example 2. My next system is 2x minus 4 equals 4y, and x minus 2 equals y. Now again, before you can use determinants to solve, you must be in standard form. So must be in standard form. So we need x's, y's equal constants. So let's rearrange this. So I'm going to move my 4y to the left side. So I have 2x minus 4y, and then I'm going to move this 4 to the other side. So plus 4, so that's a positive 4 over there. Over here, I'm moving my y, so x minus y, move my negative 2 to the right, which is just 2. Whoop, too far. So now let's find my d value, my denominator. So remember, denominator, x's go in place, 2 and positive 1, your y's go in place, negative 4 and negative 1. Coefficients of x, coefficients of y. So I got 2 times negative 1 minus 1 times negative 4 gives me negative 2 minus negative 4, which is positive 2. Numerator x. I have my constants take the place of my x's, my y's stay home. Find the determinant. 4 times negative 1 minus 2 times negative 4 gives me negative 4 plus 8, which is just 4. And then the numerator y, x's stay home, y's are replaced with your constants. X's stay home, y's are replaced with your constants. 2 times 2 minus 1 times 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. That's weird. So my x value is my numerator x over my denominator, which is 2. My y value is my numerator y over denominator, which is 0. So my solution there is 2, 0. Alright, so as you can see, it's quick. There's a procedure, and it's not that bad. Alright, here's the problem you're going to complete and bring to class tomorrow. So negative 6x plus 2y equals negative 8, and negative 3x plus y equals 7. Alright, there you go. There's your system. I want you to solve this, and this is where we're going to start tomorrow in class. So I'll be sure to check and make sure that you watch the video and complete this problem. Thanks. See you tomorrow.